Hello everyone, so welcome back to Ligem classes, and in this video we are going to solve some more questions on modern history. So before we get started, as usual, we are going to check how to get into the MCQ section. So this is how you do it. First of all, you obviously have to visit ligem.com. Okay, ligem.com, and since we are going to solve the questions on RRB general awareness, so let's explore RRB general awareness. We click here, and we are going with the English medium. We click here. Okay, excellent. Now this is the RRB GK syllabus. We have polity, history, geography, science and economy. So we are going with history. We click here, and the annexation of Awadh is a part of modern history. So we click on modern history. Okay, so as you can see, these are the chapters on modern history. We have around 32 excellent chapters. Okay, 32 chapters. Now the interesting thing is all of these chapters has some kind of lessons. For example, chapter 2. Chapter 2 has around 7 lessons. Similarly, annexation of Awadh is a part of chapter 4, Rise of East India Company. So before we deal with that, let me just show you all the chapters we have. We have around 32 chapters. That is something that I have explained earlier. And the last chapter is chapter 32, Freedom and Partition of India. Now these chapters are getting updated daily. Okay, so if you are going to look into some chapters and if you didn't find it, you can mail it. Okay, you can just mail us that this chapter is not present, and we will update that soon. For the time being, you have to deal with some of the chapters that has been updated. For instance, we have chapter 4, that is Rise of East India Company. Now this is a big chapter. It will involve the annexation of Mysore, annexation of Maratha Kingdom, annexation of Awadh, many wars like Anglo-Burma War, Anglo-Nepal War, Anglo-Afghan War, Anglo-Mysore War, Anglo-Maratha War. So this is more about the rise of East India Company. And one of these chapters is the annexation of Awadh. So let us explore annexation of Awadh. Okay, so this is the MCQ section on annexation of Awadh. So the first question, when was the Battle of Buxar fought? You know, obviously this is a very simple question, and this is a question that we have solved many times. The Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. I repeat this again, the Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. The correct answer is option D, 1764. Which of these statements are true about Awadh? So the first statement is Awadh was immediately annexed after the Battle of Buxar, which is not true. After the Battle of Buxar, Robert Clive, that is basically the Governor General at that time, decided that Awadh need not to be annexed. It can be kept as a different territory or a buffer state. So first answer is wrong. Okay, so we have the second option, that is Awadh was turned into a buffer state. Now this is true. Awadh was actually turned into a buffer state. Then we have the third question. The Awadh Nawab who entered into the subsidiary alliance with the Britishers. It was actually Shuja ud Dawla who was defeated in the Battle of Buxar, and that is why he had to enter into subsidiary alliance with the British. So the correct answer is Shuja ud Dawla. Which report sealed the fate of Awadh state, and it was annexed to the British Empire. Now when Awadh was annexed to the British Empire, a British resident was added or placed or asked to stay in Awadh. And one of these residents was Colonel Sleeman. And Colonel Sleeman actually gave a report that Awadh was being mismanaged. And however, Colonel Sleeman's report did not say that Awadh has to be annexed by the British. However, as usual, Lord Dalhousie decided to annex Awadh, and he sent Colonel Outram. Now, Colonel Outram gave a very bad report on the mismanagement of Awadh Kingdom. And because of this report, Awadh was eventually annexed by the British Empire in 1856. And it was one of the reasons for the revolt of 1857. So the correct answer is it was Outram's report. When was Awadh annexed? Now, this is the last question and perhaps the most easy question. One of the reasons of 1857 revolt, civil war, was the annexation of Awadh. It was one of the major reasons. So the correct answer is 1856. Okay, 1856. So we have solved 5 MCQs. Okay, this was a very easy chapter, very small chapter. Now let me just check how many of our answers are correct. So let me just click on finish. 5 out of 5. Excellent. All of our answers are correct. Thank you.